I'll show you the easiest way to create a professional PowerPoint slide. Whether you're preparing for a business presentation, a class project, or any formal event, crafting a sleek and effective slide can make a significant impact. Let's dive into the process to ensure your slides not only look professional but also effectively communicate your message. First, let's talk about color choices. You want to choose a maximum of 3 colors for your slides. This will help maintain a clean and cohesive look. For your background, opt for neutral tones like light gray or white, or go for deep charcoal. It's best to avoid pure black or white, as these can be harsh on the eyes. For your text, use a high contrast neutral color. Consider dark gray text on a light background or white text on a darker background. This contrast ensures readability. Finally, select one vibrant accent color. This color should be used sparingly to highlight the most important data or keywords. By limiting your color palette, you'll create a visually appealing and professional presentation. Next, let's focus on fonts. Keep it simple by using a maximum of 2 fonts. For your headers, choose a bold sans serif font like Helvetica, Neue, or Arial. Set the size between 32 and 40 points to make sure it's prominent. For the body text, go with a regular sans serif font such as Calibri or Sego UI. A font size of 14 to 18 points will work perfectly. This consistency in typography not only enhances readability, but also ensures that your slides look professional and polished. Moving on to content organization, it's crucial to apply the principle of one idea per slide. This means stripping out any secondary points. If you have 3 main arguments, it's best to split them into 3 separate slides. This approach keeps your audience focused on one concept at a time, making it easier for them to follow along. Additionally, make sure to leave 30 to 40% of the slide as empty space. This white space gives your audience's eyes a chance to rest and helps emphasize the content on the slide. Finally, let's talk about structuring your slide content. Instead of using bullet points, consider replacing them with columns. Divide your slide into 2 or 3 horizontal columns. Each column should have a short, bold mini header, followed by 1 to 2 lines of descriptive text. This format not only looks cleaner, but also encourages you to be concise and to the point. By organizing your content in this manner, you'll create a slide that is both visually appealing and easy to read. And there you have it. By following these guidelines, you can create a professional PowerPoint slide that effectively communicates your message and keeps your audience engaged. Remember, a well-designed slide isn't just about aesthetics, it's about clarity and impact. So, next time you're preparing a presentation, keep these tips in mind and watch as your slides stand out with professionalism and purpose. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your next presentation.